Morning students, welcome back to the physics class. We are going to discuss with a very new topic, that is refraction. Now this is a very good topic, interesting topic. This is actually a one kind of a natural phenomena of a light. So how to understand this topic? Now understood, see, suppose we have a surface. Now this is a surface, okay. Here is water, here is a water, now here it is air. So I can say this is generally water, okay, this all is water. So what will happen when we pass a light from one medium to other medium? So suppose I have a torch over here, this is a normal torch, and the torch will pass a light. This is the light is passing, so this is a straight direction. I can say this is an incident ray, this is an incident ray. So this incident ray, when hit the surface, what will happen? At a point of an incident, we have to draw a normal. So this is our normal, okay. We know what is the meaning of normal. So at a point of incident, when the ray of light entered the surface, what will happen? It will bend. It will bend. See, this is the bending. How can we say this is bend? So without any water, the light will pass in a straight direction. This is the first property of light. But because of water, what will happen? The light is deviated. We can say the direction is changed. So why it is changing? Because we have two different medium. Now the light is traveling from air to water. Okay, this is not reflection, that light will incident and reflect back, because in reflection we have a polished surface behind the mirror, but here both are transparent medium. So light will enter from one medium to another medium, the light will deviate it is deviated. Okay, so what is the definition says? The definition says that when a ray of a light enter from one transparent medium, see, air is a transparent medium, we are very clever, transparent medium, to another transparent medium, because the water is also visible, we can see water is a transparent medium. So when a ray of light incident from one medium to another medium, what will happen? The direction of a light, is change, it is change. So we can say this phenomenon of a light, is called refraction. We are saying this is as refraction. Now this is the meaning of refraction. In other way we can say the bending of a light, is called refraction. Now this is the very easy way that we understood. Now few things we have to keep in the mind, that is, see, the light is coming from air medium and it is passing through the water. So there is a scientific word we can say, see, if we walk in air, if we try to walk in air, we can move easily, but if we try to walk in the water, I can say it is difficult, because we cannot walk properly, our velocity become decrease, our speed become decrease. So in which we can freely walk, that medium is considered as rarer medium, and the medium in which it is difficult to walk, that is called denser medium, So in scientific way, how can we say, when a ray of light passing from rarer medium to denser medium, the light will change its direction, the direction of the refracted. This is called refracted light. See, this is called incident light, this is called refracted light. So as the light is coming from rarer to denser, what will happen? The ray of light become, the refracted light become bent from the original position. So the bending is called refraction. The first medium is called rarer medium, the second medium is called denser medium. Okay, so this is the actual meaning of a refraction. I hope this is clear. So let's discuss one very small rule, very interesting. Rule number 1, I can say. Okay, what is the rule number 1? Keep in the mind, rarer to denser, rarer to denser, and second number, denser to rarer. What will happen? See, what is the meaning of this? See, when the light is coming from rarer medium to denser, what will happen? This refracted light is close to the normal. Sorry, it is coming near to the normal. So I can say the refracted ray comes toward the normal. Okay, this is normal. And what is the second one? If we pass a light from denser, so it is moving away. Okay, so when we passing a light from denser medium, it will move away from the normal. Now this is incident ray, this is refracted ray, so this is moving away. So I can write this is moving away from normal. So these are the two rules that we have to keep in the mind. That is very interesting. So I hope you all are being able to understand the meaning of refraction. The topic we concern that rarer medium, denser medium, and the very two rules, that is very important. Okay, so this is the refraction. I hope you all are being able to understand. Thank you so much.